This tutorial shows how to count on or off events from a button or a switch input. The aim of the program is to count how many times a button is pressed and show the result by lighting up the same number of zip LEDs. We begin in design mode by selecting a button from the Inputs menu and a counter from the Controls menu. The program script for the module appears in this panel. To make the module count when the button gets pressed, drag a link from the Counting tab to the button and set the condition to Gets Pressed. We give the module a label. The yellow box shows the count value. With only 7 LEDs, we shall only want to count up to 7, so we drag a link from the Until tab to the counter and set the condition is greater than 7. Let's see how this works in run mode. Back to design mode, we are going to show the result on the zip LEDs. So we switch to the scene view and select the LEDs from the outputs gallery. We also select a simple control module so that we can control the LEDs. Let's give it a label. Drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. We shall define 7 patterns, 1 for each number, so we select Array. We start with 1 LED and make it red. For the second pattern, we shall repeat the red and add orange. For the third, add yellow. And so on. Green, cyan, blue, and violet. The array now has 7 patterns using all the colours of the rainbow. The index number will point to which pattern will show. The value of counter is used as the index. When it is 7, we see this pattern. For 6, we see this one. For 5, and so on. Lastly, drag a line from Until to any empty space, so that the display continues all the time. The program script is now complete, and we can test how it works in run mode. Finally, we can send the program to the microbit.